Hi guys. So today we're going to be working on our croquis. I gave you a few weeks to work on these. They're not due until the 12th. I just wanted you to have enough time to work on these. These will be the ones that we'll be using throughout the semester and for your final collection that will be going into your website. I'd like a minimum of 3. I'd like a front view, a side view, and a back view. So I thought we could just quickly review AI just to go over a few things. So don't forget, let me just make sure you can see okay, move this box. To set up your toolbar the way that you want to. I like using the advanced tool settings, so I have everything here. I have my swatches, my brushes, symbols. I like to use different brushes too and line sizes. So normally when I'm drawing, I'll just do the uniform and then I'll go in. You see here where I have my points of reference. Those I actually used that line instead of the straight. It gives it a little depth and a little, I just like the way that it looks. So what I'd like you to do, you can have 2 on a page, that's fine. If I was going to add in my back, which I will do, I'm going to add another artboard. So I just wanted to review this with you in case you guys forgot or didn't get to touch on this last semester. What I'd like you to do is go into the window if you don't have it up as part of your tools and see how my artboards is clicked. Let me click on it again. And then I simply go there and add another, right? So maybe I'll do my back sketch there. And this is just a little tip that I do when I'm sketching, or if you guys are going to scan and bring in your croquis that you did by hand, totally fine. You could bring that in, but I'd like these to be done in Illustrator. So like redraw them in here because I want you guys to get used to doing that. What I do is I work in another color just because it's easier to see. So I'll go along here and draw in, let's do my neck, right? And then I'm going to go down to here. Let's make that 1 point, right? Then I'm going to go in, right, add my little points. I think this might be out a little too far. I'm going to bring in that neck. All right, so that's usually how I start. Oh, I don't like that line. Sketching. Then when I'm done, the one on the left, I'm finished with it. I'll just go through, select all, see how it did my, selected all my drawing. Then I'm just going to go through, go to my swatches, hit that, and that would be final. Those 2 didn't, so let me fix that. And there we go. That's my finished croquis. For now, they're just going to look like this. I don't need a face because we're going to be doing that in Photoshop. I don't want them colored. I just want something that we could build on. So like I said, I'd prefer to have a front view, a side view, and a back view. And then once you get them all sketched, submit them into the assignment and do a little video like I did today. Maybe you have a different way to go about it and different tips that you'd like to share with the class. If you're having a hard time getting used to using the Illustrator again, come tell us what's going on and we'll be able to help you and walk you through. Maybe I'm going to change that. Then I have to draw my hand in. I'm going to go here, go to my waist, get my hip, go down to my leg. and start drawing. All right? So good luck with that, and I look forward to seeing what your croquis look like, and then we'll start building on from there, but at least we'll have our base to start doing our hand sketches from. All right, have a great day. Bye.